Welcome back, guys. Today is Monday, 30th June 2025, and we're going to be live trading NAS100. Let's get straight into it because the market opens soon and I haven't analyzed anything. I would start by marking swing highs, swing lows, and create a bias so that I know what I'm trading for the day. I'll mark all the swing lows, swing highs, my price may or may not want to go to. I mean, there's this beautiful FEG, another one there, not this one out. Price could want to react into any of those before pushing higher up to the 4 hour. This is where, see, price swept all this liquidity then pushed higher. Price will always want to sweep liquidity before pushing higher or lower. So that's why, for my strategy, I'll always wait for a sweep of liquidity, then look for a reversal. I'm not really seeing much. That could be considered a high. Got another swing low here. Another one here, all this liquidity build up. You got this 4 hour FEG there. I'll change that. And 4 and that's another daily on 4 hour. Up to 1 hour. See anything else? Yeah. Not really looking too good today for trading, but I mean, we'll just wait and see. Alright, yeah. Huge lows here on the 1 hour. And also this 1 hour. To the 15-minute, and then you'll be able to see Asian lows and London lows have not been taken yet, so those could be my targets if price does want to take that high and then drop lower. Till then, we're just gonna have to wait till New York open to see what happens. This mic took so long for it to come. I waited almost a week for it. Hopefully now I'll be able to create better content for you guys and be able to not track, but for the word for it. But yeah, obviously I'm still new to this. I don't know what I'm doing. And there goes the mic. Till then, it's just gonna have to get used to me being new at this. That 15-minute FEG. I could use this time to annotate S&P. Price did pump, creating an ATH all-time high. $15-minute. Price did sweep London low, but wasn't able to take London. Did it? Nope, just create equal highs. I would want to sweep up there and then come down. Hopefully that's what we can catch on the US 30. Price comes up here, sweeps, and then drops. This is the drop I want to get. Not till then. Obviously, last week was not an ideal week for me. I feel like the YouTube played a role in it, but ultimately it was me and my psychology. But I do enjoy this. I like trading. I get more satisfaction from knowing my analysis was correct rather than making money. Making money is a perk, but I do enjoy knowing my analysis and my bias, my entry, all of it came together to be correct. And I feel like that's important if you're trying to trade or learn how to trade or make it your full-time business. Not New York Open. See what price wants to do. Most likely come sweep London lows. Oh, don't sweep London lows, hopefully. We'll sweep London highs, I'll get my entry. 1 to 3, I'm out. I feel like last week I was forcing trades just to get it on YouTube. But this week I'm gonna focus more on the reacting and not anticipating what price will do. I don't think there's news today. Wait a second, check if there's any news. Monday, yeah, there's no New York news. Oh, swept London low. We could catch a reversal back up if it decides to come take Asia low as well and tap into these FPGs. High time frame ones as well. Depends if you wick out. Ideally, I wouldn't want to catch a trade from here where there's really nothing on the higher time frame telling me. 1 second, let's see. No, no. I mean, there's this 1 hour FEG here. 2 hour. This 1 hour probably get disrespected. Yeah, I feel like price 100% will come take these lows, tap into here, and most likely push up. Just come already too far down. Should want to take these out if it does want to go higher at least. If not, it would keep pushing lower. Yeah, S&P is definitely going to come take these Asian lows out. Price is really dropping. All this liquidity. Ultimately, price could reverse from here, but it's way too close to Asia low for it not to take it. Even these lower FPGs here, price could want to take. I feel like it's already run past too far up for it to. These are clean lows for it to want to take and then push higher. Yeah, prices about to. I wasn't able to. There we go. I was price did see usual low. Move my 1 minute and see if there's reversal forming. Sit here. See what price wants to do. I would want it to come tap in at least the 15 or the 1 hour FPG. But I was saying I wasn't able to back test this weekend, which I should have, but I couldn't find any time. And with how last week did go, back testing was important. I want to disrespect of this imbalance to look for an entry. If it creates a IFVG, I'll consider entering. But price did not. I'm not going to say that just yet because we saw our last week point. 5 minutes. I mean, there's that. 15 minute, 9 minute, 5 minute. FEG tapped into. Look at the 1 hour. Not really. Tapped into 30-minute FEG, which for me is good enough. Could consider this as a market structure. Yep, set the Asian low and pushed higher. I create a SMT, creating this FEG out, leaving this FEG behind. We need now price to disrespect this FEG so I can consider entering. Yeah, I look on entry, yeah. At that low, between 1 to 3, usual. I'll just go wait for price to retract back for me to catch my entry. And I'm in. Could either hit my stop loss straight away or reverse from that area. And we'll see what price wants to do. That so far so good. Mark out 50% of the trade, where I'll be moving to break even. Price hits that area. Okay. I do feel price would want to go lower, but I'm risking 1%, so it's something I'm happy to risk. It's not if anything, I could target the London highs for 1 to 3.6, but I'm gonna stay disciplined and stick to my 1 to 3. See what price wants to do. Hopefully I do start the week on a nice little win. But can't always think like that. Nice to tap into this order block as well. Respected it, closed above it. So guess we'll see what price has in store for us. I do want price to come and inverse this right there. This FVG. At the moment, price does look like it's, yeah, making lows. Win or lose, I'll take it. Looks like price is going to disrespect this FVG. And I'm about to get stopped out. There we go. And I'm out. Down $1,036. Did have a feeling price would come lower and take out this low and at least tap into this FVG, which I should have been patient for, but it's a shame. I haven't taken this low. I could look for another re-entry, but that would consider as revenge trading, which I don't think I should be doing. S&P didn't come take that low and pushed higher. Invest it straight away. If it inverses it, I wouldn't mind taking a long from right here to this high. See where the candle closes, to be honest. But on the higher time frames, it's priced down. Yeah, price is guaranteed to come low and take this low right here. It's a Asian low, but I don't want to take that low before I even consider entering again. Or is even this further FEG even lower? But yeah, I wouldn't re-enter until at least price has swept this low right here and tapped into the 15-minute FEG. Other than that, it's a guaranteed loss, which I'm not really trying to take, and I shouldn't have taken that loss today. I was too impatient, and shows by the loss at the end of the day. I mean, this is going to be a quick video for you guys, as I most likely won't take another entry, but I actually need to stop doing this, stop just entering off half confluences. And I feel that that's the issue. That's going to bring me and keep me unprofitable. Because I went a week straight sticking to my plan, not moving away from my plan, taking my 50% at 1.5R and putting to break even. Entering off A+ setups that I consider A+ setups. And I was profitable, which shows it can be done. I just need to be a robot essentially. Thing is, I'm not even mad at the trade. I'm more mad at myself, and I feel that's because I haven't got a win in a while. That I'm forcing this. Tomorrow, guaranteed, I won't. I'll rather not take a trade than lose a trade. Or no. I'll rather not take a trade than take a losing trade that I can see will have a reason to lose. I mean, for now, I'm gonna go update my trading journal, and I'll add it to the rest of the video. But that took me only until 250 to lose 1,000. Win some, we lose some, and price will most likely come sweep this and then push higher to this high. If it does that, I mean, I'll screenshot it and put it in the video. But till then, I lost my trade of what? If it does that, I'll screenshot it, put it in the video. I'm off to update my trading journal with today's trade. Price did just tap into that FUG. I am considering entering if I have a clean setup. Price did tap into that FUG on S&P 500. No, I'm not doing it. I'm gonna stick to my trading plan. Stick to what works. One trade, win or lose. I'm done for the day. Unless I can do one trade, win, call it a day. If I lose, I half the risk by 50% on my second trade. But then I'll be losing 1.5 minimum. And I'm not really trying to do that. So this is just gonna have to go without me. Clean trade. Let's go. It's 100% gonna push up unless it comes down lower to sweep all this liquidity down here, which I'll mark. Price could come sweep that liquidity and then push higher, which I doubt. Price doesn't seem like it's taken enough liquidity to be able to push up even higher. Yeah, if it does what I said, I'll screenshot it. It's a shame. Yeah. Oh my days. I keep saying yeah. It's not really good. I'm gonna go update my trading journal. Alright, I finished with my trade journal. The time is 3:22. Still the same date, Monday 30th of June. It was NAS100. My bias was bullish. Out of all of these confluences, only three. I only got three, which was the liquidity sweep, market structure shift, and a fair value gap left. Date. It was a lot. It was a loss. Total loss was $1,036. My risk reward that I was going for was 1 to 3 like usual. I was trading New York AM, and it was a B setup. This was the trade itself. Clearly should have waited. Price did even tap into no higher time from FUG. I was reaching when I said it was tapped into that 30-minute FUG. Obviously, I should have known price would always going to go lower, but yeah, psychology during the trade, 4 out of 10. It was a terrible trade. I feel like I accepted the loss the second I went into the trade, and then yeah, today I wasn't patient at all, and that's exactly why I lost. I'm clearly falling back into my old habits, especially the kind that led to losses driven by FOMO. I'm not scared to admit it. I had FOMO today. should have not, but I had it and I lost because of it. I thought I'd moved past that phase, but this slip up reminds me that discipline isn't a one-time fix, it's a daily battle. One moment of impatience can undo weeks or even months of progress. What really stung is that literally 11 minutes after I got stopped out, price respected that zone and hit full take profit. If I'd waited for confirmation, literally, I was reaching with the market structure shift, 1 minute FEG. In my head, I knew price was going to go lower. I don't know why I took the trade, but can't complain now. I took it, just got to firm it. If I had waited for confirmation, I would have had more confluences and a cleaner, higher probability sell. Instead, I acted off hope, not logic. This was painful, but a vulnerable lesson. No trade is better than a rushed low quality one. I'd rather miss a move than be like, I'd rather miss a move than be emotionally attached to what if scenarios. Next time I'll wait. And this was the trade I missed. I literally got stopped out on this wick. Price came down, swept, turtle soup, pushed up, market structure shift, left an FVG behind inside this order block, and then price came back into this order block. I didn't mark out this order block, I forgot. This order block and this FVG pushed up my 1 to 3, 50% right there. Would have taken partials, and then price pushed up, and then reversed straight back down to break even. You can't really see it, but price did sweep this. This red line is a super liquidity, and then this smaller FVG is the 15-minute, and the big one inside is the 1 hour that we marked out earlier. Overall, painful but educational at the end of the day. Thank you for watching. Hopefully tomorrow I can be patient. I will be patient. And yeah, any questions for me, leave in the comments. If you do want to see the live trade on MT5 that I did, I screen recorded it. I will be doing that from now on. I'll be posting on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. So whichever you want to go to, go ahead, view. Because over here, I want to be as transparent as possible. I want to show wins, losses, misses, everything until I'm profitable. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and hopefully your trading journey is as maybe easier than mine, hopefully. But everyone has to go through losses to be able to win big. Thank you very much, and goodbye.